Rahul Narwekar is an Indian politician and member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. He is the current Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. Narwekar was elected to the Maharashtra Legislative Council in June 2016 as a governor's nominated member. Previously, he was a member of the Shiv Sena party, but as the party denied him a ticket in 2014 Lok Sabha elections, he joined the Nationalist Congress Party and unsuccessfully contested the Lok Sabha election on the party's ticket from the Maval constituency. Rahul is the sitting MLA from Colaba Assembly Constituency in Mumbai on a Bhartiya Janata Party ticket. He is Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly on 3 July 2022. Rahul Narwekar is the son-in-law of senior NCP leader Ramraj Nambalkar. Rahul's father, Suresh Narwekar, was a municipal councillor from the Colaba area. Rahul's brother Makarand Narwekar is a second-term municipal councillor, currently from ward number 227. Rahul's sister-in-law Harshita Narwekar is a municipal councillor from ward No. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.